Hi, this is Beach Troll. Thanks for stopping by my channel. Today I'm dealing with a 2004 Toyota Camry that the passenger front door lock would not unlock either by using your finger or the power locks. Now, I already fixed it, so I just figured I would do this video just to show you how I fixed it. What I did was I rolled down the passenger window, and then let's go to the outside of the vehicle. Sorry. All I wound up doing, because the power locks wouldn't work and using my finger wouldn't work, so I came to the outside and I just used a lot of pressure and I just forced it open. It took a little bit of resistance, but it did kick out and unlock. And and now the door lock does work. Use this method as a repair at your own risk. You could possibly damage something inside by forcing it. I was just frustrated, so that's what I wound up doing. And it's a real pain in the neck to try to take the door panel off to get to the innards of the door where the mechanisms are with the door closed. So this solved my issue, and hopefully it'll solve yours. It should work on any car with power locks. If this video helped you out, kindly give a like and subscribe, and have a great day.